everyone, this is Allie. Welcome back to Colors of Hope Crafts ASMR. Yesterday I taught you how to do the single crochet increase, and we practiced it and made this little thing, the start of a coral piece. And earlier this week I taught you the single crochet. Today we are going to do the half double crochet. So you're gonna wanna make your slip knot. And then you're gonna wanna make 10 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I said we wanted to do 12. We definitely do want to do 12 if we're gonna I make the swatch that we started. So now that you've made the 12 chains, you're going to want to stick it into the back loop of the third chain and from the hook. So you're going to go over 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do a yarn over and then you're going to stick it into the back loop, and then you're doing another yarn over, and then you pull it up. So there's going to be 3 loops on the hook now, and then you do another yarn over and you pull that yarn over through all 3 loops. I'm going to go really slow. For this row. So yarn over, put your hook through the back loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, stick it through the back loop, yarn over, yarn. I've got 3 stitches. Yarn over, stick it through the back loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. So there are 3 stitches, or 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. And then you're just going to keep doing that until the end of the row. Now this video is going to be shorter than the other 2, in part because I know you all already know the first stitch, the basics of the single crochet, and in part because I had to give Zoe a bath and I think I messed up my shoulder. So we're only going to do 3 or 4 rows. Now we've gotten to the end, and you're going to want to make 2 chains. So one chain, 2 chain. And then you're going to turn your work and do a yarn over, and you're going to do a double crochet into the first stitch on the row, and then you're going to just keep doing it along the row. And we've come to the end of the row. And so I'm going to do at least 1 more row. So I just did 2 chains, and as you can see, we've now got 2 rows of half double crochets. And that's what it'll look like. So do a yarn over, stick it into the first stitch, and then you just continue that all across. Alright, so now that we're at the end of the 3rd row, you're going to pull it up, pull it through the last loop like you would to make a another chain, and then you're going to cut it off. Now you obviously don't have to stop with 3. You can do as many rows as you like. But since this is just a demonstration, and like I said, I had to lift Zoe into the bathtub, I kind of screwed up my shoulder. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment if you want to get in on the yarn giveaway. So, take care, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.